The next one, 13 cos A equal to 12. Then find secant A plus cosecant A. Okay. So 13 cos A is equal to 12. So cos A equal to what? 12 by 13. Okay. 13 is multiplication of transposition division. What is meant by cos A? Cos A means adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. Okay, so cos A means adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. So you have to make one right angle triangle. Okay, so this is A and B and C, right angle at B. Okay, adjacent side of angle A, that is 12, and hypotenuse, that is 13. We have to find out another side BC. Okay, with the help of Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse AC square equal to side square AB square plus BC square. That means 13 square equal to 12 square plus BC square. So 13 square means 169 equal to 12 square means 144 plus BC square. So therefore BC square equal to 169 minus 140. So therefore BC square equal to 25. 169 minus 144, 25. That equal to 5 square. Therefore BC equal to how much? 5 units. We got the another value of the side of the right angle triangle, that is 5. Okay, now we have to find out secant A plus cosecant A. Now we have to find secant A. Secant A means what? Very simple, that is the opposite ratio of cos. That means this is 12 by 13, its inverse, its reciprocal, 13 by 12. Otherwise we have to find with the help of right angle triangle. What is that? Hypotenuse by adjacent side of angle A. What is hypotenuse here? 30 by 12. And cosecant A. Cosecant A means what? Hypotenuse by opposite side of angle A. That means that is the reciprocal of sine. Sine means opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos means cot means cosecant. Cosecant means that is hypotenuse by opposite side of angle A. So here hypotenuse is 30 by opposite side 5. Okay, now we have to find out their summation. Therefore secant A plus cosecant A is equal to 13 by 12 plus 13 by 5. Okay, 12 5 LCM 60. 12 5 LCM how much? 60. Okay, so 12 how much is 60? 5 is 5 into 13, 65 plus 12 how much is 60? 5 how much is 60? 12 is 12 into 30. So 12 into 30. Okay, 13 3, 12 3 is 36, 3 is there. 12 1 is 12 plus 3, 15, 156. Okay, now you add them. 5 plus 6, 11. Okay, 2 and 2, 221 by 60. 221 by 60 is the answer. Okay. The next sum, in triangle ABC. So ABC is the right angle triangle. Angle C equal to 90 degrees. Okay, this is the right angle triangle like A, B, C. Right angle at C. Right angle at C. Okay. So now we have to find cos A and cot A. So with respect to these two equations. So you have to solve them. That equal to 23. BC plus CA equal to 23 centimeters. And BC minus CA equal to 7 centimeters. Okay. Solve them. Add them. So 2BC equal to 30 centimeters. BC equal to 30 centimeters by 2, that equal to 15 centimeters. Okay, so BC equal to how much? 15 centimeters. as well as you have to find the AC also. Okay, you substitute this 15 in any one of the equation. So BC plus CA equal to 23 centimeters, but BC equal to how much? 15. So 15 plus CA equal to 23. So CA equal to 23 minus 15, that equal to 8 centimeters. Plus 15 of transposition minus 15. So this is 8 centimeters. Okay, now we have to find its hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus another side square BC square. Side square plus side square. So AB square equal to 8 square plus 15 square. 8 square, 8 8 is 64 and 15 square 225. So AB square equal to 289. 289 is also perfect square, 17 square. So therefore AB equal to 17. Okay, we found all the values of the right angle triangle. Now what do you want? We want to find cos A. That means cos with respect to angle A. Okay, with angle A, cos theta means what? Adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. Okay, where is the adjacent side of angle A? This is the angle A, its adjacent side is 8 centimeters. By hypotenuse equal to how much? 17 centimeters. Centimeters cancel, that equal to 8 by 17. And another one is cot B. So cot B means what? Here with respect to B, where is the opposite side of P? That is 8 centimeters. Where is the adjacent side of P? That is 15 centimeters. Okay, that means cot B means with respect to angle B, okay, opposite side of angle B is AC. Adjacent side of angle B is 15 centimeters. What is meant by cot B? Cot B means adjacent side of angle B. Here B is the angle by opposite side of angle B. So this is angle B, its adjacent side 15 centimeters and its opposite side is 8 centimeters. So that equal to 15 by 8. That equal to 15 by 8. They are different questions. Okay, now I send same questions for homework. Okay.